Let's open the gate, man. Gate open, okay. Yeah.
They call this bone dry coconut.
While the media and international resorts intimidate tourists away from the real Jamaica, the people of the island are so resourceful and imaginative that the best things here don't cost much, if anything at all. Walking around and soaking up the colour and beauty of the island, waking up early and beating the crowds to unwind at the beach or falls, going boating with fishermen and getting some fish to cook up later on, exploring your own yard for amazing veg and fruit and plants that can cure any ailment, having incredible communal meals with your neighbours, or just finding a chill spot up in the hills to relax. Jamaica is amazing.
Praising the Lord today in our style from the Caribbean. Come now, you know this one, yeah? Hear my cry, oh Lord, attend unto from the earth. Come where my heart is. What do you say? Leave me. Hey, that is higher. That is higher. My Lord, come. Hear my cry. Hear my cry. Hey, attend unto my prayer. Oh yes, from the end when I come, say where my heart set. Lead me to the rock that is higher than. Oh yes, that is higher than. Oh yes.
Come to the young one.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture of that. That is just nature at its finest.
J Glad Music. Yes, you can find the roots if you penetrate the hills. But you see, when you come to Jamaica now, and them put it down at the town here, if you sit down in a big hotel and eat up them big food that them cook up out there and claim say. And of them the thing they if you come to Jamaica, come see, you know, you have to come to Jamaica right now and find Rasta. So see I and I in the hills where reggae continue because whole lot of vegetable and fruit juice, you know, and Dumplin and give praise to the Most High God, the Rastafari.
Remember when I was doing all my research into Jamaican folklore, I said to one old gentleman I'm talking to, you know, and I said to him, what you call all this song? He says, every Jamaica folk song is a mento. Every Jamaica folk song is a mento. We sing mento. So I say, where we get the mento from? He said, we grow it.